Let me walk you through this one, because at $575,000 in gated community in Rancho Vistoso, this one is a great example of what this neighborhood delivers right now. You come through a charming front patio door, straight into a bright opening greatway, big living area, lots of natural light, feels bigger than 2113 square feet. The kitchen is where people really stop. Extra large island with bar stools, serious cabinet storage, top quality finishes throughout. This is the kind of kitchen people actually cook in. The dining area opens straight out to the rear patio, and this backyard is fully enclosed oasis. Lush green landscaping, completely private, totally serene. For a townhouse, this does not feel like a townhouse back in here. The owner's suite has views out to the backyard, a walk-in closet, a walk-in shower. The second bedroom and office are opposite of the side of the house. Great split layout if you're working from home and have guests. 2-car garage, large pantry, and the community has its own private pool, entertaining area right across the street. You get all of this without the maintenance. Now that you've seen the home, let me show you what you're actually buying into when you buy in Rancho Vistoso. This is a master plan community in Oro Valley, just north of Tucson. Multiple villages, each with their own feel, but through the line is consistent. Wide streets, maintained common areas, desert open space, and that open mountain feeling. It sits right against the Tortolita Mountains, and a lot of the lots open to the natural desert. It buffers, it's quiet, and it's exactly what people come here for. Most homes were built in the late 90s through 2010. Newer construction without being in development that's still half finished around you. This is what a Sunday morning looks like out here. Trails before 8, coffee on the patio, the kind of quiet where you actually notice it. Golf course views from the street, kids on bikes at dusk, neighbors you actually want to wave to. If your nervous system needs this kind of energy, Rancho Vistoso might be exactly what you're looking for.